Hi friends, this is a video of how I use my academic planner Notion template. With classes, assignments, exams, and extracurriculars, student life is busy. This academic planner in Notion will help keep everything in one place, making it easier to stay on top of multiple commitments. And it's available for purchase in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. The template you get when you purchase from my Etsy shop will contain some sample data, so you can see how the databases work together. Let's take a look at each of the databases. The Course Planner page tracks your current course schedule and future course schedules by semester. This is where you can plan out your potential course selection for the academic year. When you click the New button, the template for a new course will appear. In this template, you can track all the information for the course, such as credit hours, professor, class location, time, and semester. When you click the Return to Dashboard button, it will return you to the planner dashboard. The class schedule page is where you can track your current class schedule, location, and time. When you click the New button, the class template will appear. Here, you can link any tasks and assessments for easy access. There's also room where you can enter the class syllabus, the location, the time, and the instructor and your final grade. The task list is where the due dates for tasks and assignments can be tracked. When you click the New button, the task template will appear. And if there is a group project, this is a great place to track group assignments. There's a property, the assignee property, where you can assign tasks to group members. By default, all tasks are assigned to you, but you can update that by simply typing in the text box. Here, you can link any task to any related class and any related study session for easier access and tracking. The Start Focus Mode and the Leave Focus Mode buttons will filter out your highest priority tasks so that you can focus on completing those first. The Start Focus Mode button will only display tasks with the high priority. Leave Focus Mode resets the list so that all tasks will display. The Assessments page is where projects, reports, presentations, or exams are tracked. There are 2 buttons at the top of this page. When you click the new button for New Report, the New Report template will appear. In this template, you can add any information related to your report. You can link these assessments to any related class and the related study sessions to track your work for the report. When you click the New Project button, the New Project template will appear. And in this template, you can, of course, add any information related to your project. You can link this assessment back to the related class and the related study sessions to track your work for the project. There is a table inside this template where you can add tasks related to the project, and it will track your completion. The study session planner page can be used to plan and track the progress of your study session. When you click the new study session button, a template will appear. In this template, you can add any information related to your study session: session dates, location, estimated duration, a start and stop time for the session, and a productivity score for the session. And each session can be linked back to a class or any task related to the purpose of the study session. Thank you for watching this video of how I would use my academic planner Notion template, which is available now for purchase in my Etsy shop at the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and leave me a flower emoji in the comments. Until next time, friends, have the day you deserve.